Experience the sights, the sounds, the flavors, and the vibrant cultures of Africa, all in one unforgettable day. The Washington West African Center proudly invites you to the Sounds of Africa Festival 4.0, happening on Saturday, August 15th from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. at Garfield Park. Bring your family and friends and enjoy one of Washington State's premier celebrations of African culture. Experience live African music, traditional drumming, cultural performances, and a spectacular African fashion showcase. Explore a vibrant marketplace featuring local businesses, artisans, community organizations, and authentic African cuisine from across the continent. Families and children can enjoy free backpacks and school supplies, while supplies last, bouncy houses, face painting, and free children haircuts, games, dancing competitions, and many other fun activities throughout the day. Whether you are connecting with your heritage or discovering African cultures for the first time, Sounds of Africa Festival is a celebration of community, diversity, and belonging, and everyone is welcome. Admission is absolutely free. Mark your calendar, invite your family, your friend and loved ones, and join us on Saturday, August 15, 2026 at Garfield Park in Everett. We also need model volunteers and general event volunteers. For more information, call or contact 425-758-3269 or visit www.wawak.org or email info@wawak.org. We can't wait to celebrate with you the Sounds of Africa Festival 4.0. Be there or nowhere.